Bridgeport milling machine. As you can see over here, it's a model 149960. Again, supposedly this motor is bad. You can hear the bearings as I power it on, and you can see that sounds like it's wearing out. I'll turn it on one more time. You're gonna need some quill work probably in the clutch. Needs to probably be greased up. Here we go. That was forward. That was reverse. A little bit of play, but there's no play. Pulls out, you can spin it, pushes in, it moves. Now it starts to move, so about 50 thousandths of play. Comes with the items on here, and there'll be plenty of photos. Again, Bridgeport milling machine. Also comes with this track 102. You can see it there. This is a track 100 product. Comes with the Bridgeport milling machine.